To open a Bitmart account, follow these steps. First, go to the Bitmart website and click on the Sign Up button. Then select your country and language preference. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Then click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email from Bitmart. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, you will be required to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. After setting up two-factor authentication, you will be taken to the Bitmart dashboard, where you can view your account balance and navigate to different sections of the platform. To start trading, you need to deposit funds into your account. You can do this by clicking on the deposit button and selecting your preferred payment method. Bitmart supports a wide range of payment methods, including credit cards, bank transfers, and cryptocurrencies. Once you have deposited funds into your account, you can start trading by clicking on the Trade button and selecting the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. It is essential to understand the risks involved in trading cryptocurrencies and to always use proper risk management techniques. Bitmart also offers a range of trading tools and features, including stop-loss orders and limit orders, that can help you manage your trades effectively. To ensure the security of your account, always use strong passwords and keep your account information confidential. It is also important to stay up to date with the latest market trends and news to make informed trading decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can open a Bitmart account and start trading cryptocurrencies safely and effectively.